A little bit of a dull day here at Caribe Campo, Terraza Tropimar. We've had a couple new developments here, new listings and renovations, especially on this one here. Main floor facing the pool. This is unit 113. Comes furnished as is. This is your terraza or patio here. Kitchen and living room. All metal kitchen. You don't have to worry about the bugs. There is no stove here or oven, cooktop. Bathroom. This is a washer dryer combination unit. And then decently renovated. Bedroom's got lots of storage. We're at the back of the unit here. So this is Villas Tropimar next door at the end of the driveway. And then below that is Residential Tropimar. So they make up, these three buildings make up Caribe Campo. Again, this one being Terraza Tropimar. And this is a nice little feature here. You don't see a lot of tubs in this country. Ventilation on both sides for light and air. Nicely done unit, $162.50 per month are the HOA fees. HOA fees cannot be changed in this complex unless you have 100% consensus at the AGM, which is every March. These walls are newly renovated. So in the last video, these walls were not done. So a little bit of a decorative update here. This rents for about $46 a night on Airbnb, $700 to $800 a month. Long term. $2.50 per month per meter are the fees here in Terraza Tropimar, where there's 121 units around the pool. A couple pools. There's a big pool, it's probably 80 feet long down at the bottom, and then a kid's pool or a bubbler as well.